CPA marketing? Is it right for you? In this video, you're going to learn about what CPA marketing is and some of the pros, the cons. Plus, you'll find out what you need to get started. And then after all that, I'm hoping you'll be able to figure out if CPA marketing is right for you. This is Crossing Seas, and we're here to adventure from employee to employer. And I really hope you enjoy this video. So, what is CPA marketing? It's cost per action or cost per acquisition. It's a form or a style of affiliate marketing, or some people call it performance marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you get a commission for your referrals. So you refer someone, you get an offer, you generate traffic, and they use your link, and then you get a commission. And from that, and something a little more advanced would be cost per action. It's a lot like it, but the major difference is that you don't need to make a sale with CPA to earn money. Affiliate marketers usually get a commission on the sales. So CPA marketing is a little bit more advanced, and you're going to find out the reason why later on. How does it work? All right, so you start off. So it all starts off with you again. So you have a landing page, and you also get connected with a CPA network. This is how it usually gets done. Most people do it this way. And so you get their offer. You get their advertisement link, or you find out what's the action they need. Is it to get the email? Is it just looking for a click? So another thing you'll see is CPC, cost per click, and then you put it on your landing page. But then you need to get your audience, which will generate some traffic, and they'll come to you, perform the action. Then you send that to the CPA network, and then they'll give you your commission back. Now, the interesting thing, a really cool thing, and I'll explain this more a little bit later, the price of your offer doesn't really matter, doesn't really contribute to how much you're actually getting from the CPA network. So you could actually advertise something that is free, market an offer that is free, and you'll actually get money from that offer just because they have to perform the action. Say the action's collecting emails, or even clicking on a link, or something, downloading an app, something like that. You'll actually get income from it, and it might actually be free on your offer. Another question you might have is, where can you do CPA marketing? Almost anywhere online. The only thing is, you need to be compliant with their guidelines. So if you're doing social media, say Facebook, you have to be compliant to their guidelines. You have to be compliant to Google's guidelines. Whatever it is, you just need to find out the guidelines, what they allow, and just follow those. But the funny thing is, people say like you can do CPA on Pinterest, but they don't really tell you that it's a roundabout way. So I'll get into that later. It basically goes back to our earlier slide where everyone starts off with a landing page. Some pros and cons for CPA marketing. It's a great return on investment. The amount of time and money that you put into actually performing CPA is very small compared to the return you'll get. I mean, you'll never get back the time you made, but you'll definitely get back the money if you do it right. If you do things wrong, if you do things shady, or you won't even get off the ground. You get paid even if your offer is free. It doesn't take up all your time. That's pretty much the best part. That's what really got me into online businesses, is that they don't take up all your time. If you say start a brick and mortar business, you're kind of tied to that location. Say if you start a franchise, and online businesses are good depending on what your target is, what your results you want. If you want to work less and get paid more, online businesses are for you. Some of the cons about CPA, sorry, I went on a little tangent. Some of the cons of CPA is that their offers are often non-compliant. So sometimes oftentimes you'll go to a network and you'll find a great offer, but somehow that offer doesn't translate for Facebook. So if Facebook and Google, those are some big affiliate marketplaces. A lot of affiliates use those two. Good sources of traffic, but you have to gear your offer so it follows their guidelines. And a lot of times, CPA offers don't follow those. They're also little or no support. It's almost like a graduating system. A basic affiliate marketing, anyone can pretty much do. You can do solo ads. You don't need a lot of experience. It's easier to get into CPA. In CPA, you need to know how you need your landing page. You need to already show that you're experienced to get into a lot of these good networks, so you don't get ripped off. So one of the cons is it's actually hard if you are brand new. For those who are brand new, it's pretty difficult to get into a CPA network and things like that. And if you do things wrong, you'll get kicked out. Things get a little hairy sometimes, and you just need the experience, and you just don't want to get overwhelmed right off the bat. Also, you could get scammed. Even though you're the one sending off the offer, there are people that give you that can scam you by offering bad traffic, like traffic from bots and stuff like that, and you don't want that, and you just need to keep things on the up and up so you don't get scammed yourself. So here's some of the prerequisites. Just to get into like a CPA network, you got to fill out a page, and a lot of times it's like 2 to 5 days before they get done reviewing your application. So some of the things of that is a landing page or a website. You're gonna have to show that you're established and show that you have experience in marketing, that you've already made money being an affiliate, and showing that you're not just a looky-loo. You're not just in it just to see how it goes. You're not wasting their time, or you're not trying to scam people. So you have to show them, and they'll test you through your application, and they'll actually find out if you're on the up and up. So it's good to have all your I's dotted and your T's crossed. And you need to show that you have existing traffic. You don't lie about it. You just tell them, and it's better just to be straight up and honest with them, because they'll find out if you have traffic or not through your application and the answers that you give. So these are some prerequisites, and here are some tips. Tip number 1: know your niche. That's basically for any of the marketing. You need to know your niche. If you're getting into CPA and you're just trying to get in some sort of offers and you're just pasting them on a website, that's not probably going to be good. You're still the salesperson. In any business, you're going to have to sell something. And if you're a car salesman, you probably have to sell in person, but we're working online, so you need to be able to sell through a computer screen, a phone screen, a TV screen. So you need to be able to market that to your niche. So you're not going to put cupcakes in a survivalist like a landing page. You're not going to have certain things. You're going to word it differently. Certain jargon is different between niches. So you need to know your niche. You need to know what's offers that are going to sell, and it's always good to test the offers before you go big into them. You got to start somewhere. If you can't get into a CPA networking right off the bat, try ClickBank, try other straight affiliate ones where you get a commission off the sales, just to build up your resume for the network marketing. Not network marketing, for the CPA networks. And just start somewhere. It's better just getting started and moving than just sitting there and it's like, well, can't get it done. Learn how to build landing pages and sale funnels. All right, landing pages and sale funnels are invaluable tools for you to use. Like I said, one of the main things that CPA networks will look for is that you have some sort of landing page, sales funnel, website, something like that. And the good places to go WordPress is a real popular one among affiliate marketers, and also ClickFunnels. That is drag and drop sales funnels, and they're really good. And I believe, I haven't done it this way, but you can create a landing page through ClickFunnels. That's what I was told. I haven't done it myself. I wouldn't doubt it. ClickFunnels is really great software. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. This is Crossing Seas. I'm Court Crossan. In the description box below, there's going to be a link, and it's going to be a link to a free ebook. It's an ebook that really helped me on my journey to developing an online business that actually makes money. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends about me, please. Thank you again. Have a good one.